Robinhood launches retirement program for independent workers. U.S.-based financial services provider Robinhood has launched the Retirement for Independent Workers program to improve access to savings. iauliÅ Bankas selects Temenos to modernize core banking platform. Temenos has announced that iauliÅ Bankas, the largest independently owned bank in Lithuania, has chosen Temenos to modernize its core banking platform. CRB Group unveils investment banking strategy. CRB Group, the parent company of Cross River Bank and CRB Securities, has announced the launch of an investment banking strategy. Yapily partners with Uncapped. Yapily has partnered with Uncapped in order to provide its open banking solutions to accelerate secure financial support for businesses in the UK, EU, and the US. Volt obtains EMI license in the UK. Real-time payments platform Volt has obtained an electronic money institution (EMI) license from the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK. The embedded finance market to reach $730.5 billion by 2032. The embedded finance market is expected to reach $730.5 billion by 2032, fostered by frictionless transactions and technological advancements. Crédit Agricole CIB partners with Demica. Crédit Agricole CIB has launched the new Optum Receivables and Supply Chain Finance (RSF) platform, white-labeled by Demica, a supply chain finance fintech. CFIT offers recommendations on UK open finance. The Centre for Finance, Innovation, and Technology, CFIT, has published a report detailing the benefits that open finance can deliver for UK consumers and businesses. Mastercard launches new open banking product. Mastercard has announced the launch of its new open banking program, aimed to optimize the debit and prepaid digital account opening experience for U.S. clients. FIS acquires Torstone Technology. FIS has announced the acquisition of the SaaS post-trade platform Torstone Technology in order to improve capital markets tech capabilities and offerings. Visa partners with Checkbook. US-based all-in-one push payments platform Checkbook has announced its collaboration with Visa, aiming to expedite disbursements to businesses, institutions, and individuals. One Inc. forms technology integration with Sapiens. One Inc. has announced a technology integration with Sapiens International Corporation for a seamless integration of One Inc.'s Claims Pay and Sapiens Claims Pro platforms. Experian's credit reports to include Apple Pay Later loan info. Financial information services company Experian has announced it will add the Pay in 4 feet BNPL loan information from Apple Pay in consumers' credit reports. Orum goes live with the Federal Reserve. ACI Solutions provider Orum has announced that it went live with FedEch, the Federal Reserve's automated clearinghouse service, and it is set to add FedNow and Fedwire solutions. AffiniPay partners with Marqeta. Marqeta has announced a partnership with AffiniPay to deliver a flexible and customized credit offering with full program management capabilities. VyStar Credit Union joins NCR Atleos ATM network. Banking solutions provider NCR Atleos has announced that VyStar Credit Union selected its Allpoint ATM network to support its expansion across the U.S. ACI Worldwide, Kuvasz Solutions extend partnership. Real-time payments software ACI Worldwide has announced the expansion of its partnership with payment services provider Kuvasz Solutions. Klarna's AI chatbot does the equivalent work of 700 full-time humans. Klarna says its OpenAI-powered chatbot is doing the equivalent work of 700 full-time agents after its global launch last month. Nium becomes first global fintech to secure Type 1 funds transfer license from Japan's FSA. Nium, the leader in real-time cross-border payments, announced today that it is the first non-Japanese company to have secured a Type 1 funds transfer service provider, FTSP, license from the Japanese Financial Services Agency, JFSA. Jeff Seeley joins PayPal as Chief Marketing Officer. PayPal Holdings, Inc., Nasdaq, PYPL, today announced Jeff Seeley has joined the company as Chief Marketing Officer, CMO, reporting to Diego Scotti, Executive Vice President, EVP, and General Manager, GM, of Consumer Group and Global Marketing and Communications. Mastercard and MTN to drive mobile money across 13 African markets. Mastercard and MTN Group Fintech have signed a multi-market agreement that will set in motion a new era of collaboration to connect millions of people and small businesses across Africa with digital tools to transact through secure mobile payments, expanding access to the benefits of the cashless digital economy. SoftPay integrates Bankas for tap-to-phone payments. SoftPay is excited to share that it now accepts Bankas, the leading card scheme in Norway, as part of its advanced payment solutions. Buckaroo wins merchant services deal with ABN AMRO. Buckaroo, a premier omni-channel payment service provider, PSP, entered into a strategic commercial partnership with ABN AMRO, where it will become the exclusive provider of cutting-edge merchant payment services to the bank's clients. Emma Hagan appointed ClearBank UK CEO. ClearBank, the enabler of secure accounts, real-time clearing and embedded banking for financial institutions, today announced that Emma Hagan has been appointed CEO of ClearBank UK, and will take up the role following regulatory approval. Paddle bolsters leadership team with new CPO, CFO and VP of People. Paddle, the payments infrastructure provider for software companies, today announces it has appointed Stuart Bailey as its new Chief Product Officer, Philip Watson as Chief Financial Officer, and Colleen Marchall as VP of People. Clear Junction joins UK Crypto Asset Business Council. Clear Junction, a global leader in cross-border payments for regulated institutions, has joined the UK Crypto Asset Business Council, UKCBC, to support and empower the growth of the crypto ecosystem. Bison Bank issues virtual Visa card. Bison Bank, the European private and investment bank based in Lisbon dedicated to providing a range of wealth management services, today announced the launch of a debit card in partnership with Visa, a global leader in digital payments, developed in collaboration with Spain's Fintech PequenPay, a company that offers several payment method solutions. Payhawk to grow UK headcount by 44%. Global spend management platform Payhawk reported 89.4% global annual growth in SaaS revenues in 2023 combined with net revenue retention from new customers in 2023 at 151%. FCA rules out intervention in wholesale data market. Despite finding room for improvements in the distribution of wholesale market data, the Financial Conduct Authority has ruled out intervention for fear of unintended consequences. Rabobank executes $2 billion in commercial paper transactions on blockchain. Rabobank has completed a series of pilots to execute more than $2 billion in commercial paper transactions on blockchain platform Ubermorgen. Sygnum Bank, Hamilton Lane and Apex Group expand access to private market via DLT. Sygnum Bank, Hamilton Lane, and Apex Group today announce a cross-industry project that expands global private market access to significantly larger and more diverse groups of qualified investors. ATFX appoints FX pioneer Drew Niv as Chief Strategy Officer. ATFX proudly announces the appointment of Drew Niv, a distinguished pioneer and thought leader in the FX industry, as its Chief Strategy Officer. Open finance could boost UK GDP by £30.5 billion, says CFIT CEO. The Centre for Finance, Innovation and Technology, CFIT, has published its report on the benefits of open finance in line with the Khalifa Review. Full Circle ships W2 white label identity verification platform. Full Circle, a UK-based SaaS platform that removes the regulatory and verification roadblocks to drive revenue growth, is excited to announce the launch of its first white label orchestration platform through W2 by Full Circle to help regulated businesses onboard more customers and meet regulatory requirements. Volt granted UK EMI license from FCA. Volt, the global real-time payments platform, has secured an electronic money institution, EMI, license from the United Kingdom's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. Premiumization and hyper-personalization, transforming consumer expectations. In the dynamic landscape of consumer engagement, the expectations placed upon companies are in a state of perpetual flux. Treasury Prime launches new bank direct initiatives. US-based software company Treasury Prime has launched its Bank Direct product to accelerate embedded banking offerings for banks and financial institutions. OneID partners with SurePay. Digital identity verification company OneID has partnered with payment verification solution provider SurePay to augment business in combating online fraud. Kraken launches Kraken institutional brand. US-based digital asset exchange Kraken has launched a new umbrella brand for the company's institutional client base. Socure and Trustly combine for compliant pay by bank services. Socure, the leading provider of artificial intelligence for digital identity verification, sanction screening and fraud prevention, and Trustly, a leading global open banking payments provider, today announced an industry-first partnership to offer merchants and fintechs a streamlined onboarding and guaranteed pay-by-bank solution. This concludes our current edition of the BayPay Forum podcast. Remember that you can read the full text of each article in our news section on baypayforum.com. We hope to see you tomorrow.